Hello, this is Learning D. On the last video, we created this town gate method and wrote a little text to tell the opening story. So the player have arrived at the town gate, and there is a guard, and we also displayed this player choice, so player can choose like talk to the guard or attack the guard or leave. So player can choose from these three choices, and we also written the result of this choice. And we also moved these variables and scanner from this method to this place, outside of all these methods, but still inside of this class. So now all these methods can access these variables. And so since we can access these variables now, so let's use them a little bit here. Last time we've written this text. If you talk to the guard, then the result is this text. The guard says, "Hello there, stranger." But let's change this a little bit. "Hello there, stranger," and so your name is, let's use our name since we have our name. So player name. So we can display player name here. Well, let's check this. So first enter our name, like Akira, and and talk to the guard. "Hello there, stranger. So your name is Akira?" So yes, player name is displayed here. Because we moved this player name from here to here. So if this player name stayed here, like it used to be, then there is an error, because this town gate method cannot find this player name, because now this player name is inside of this player setup method. So so that's why we moved these variables here. So now error disappeared. And I also want to add a little more text here. "Sorry, but we cannot let stranger enter our town." So player cannot enter the town at this point. So I'm thinking the goal of this small game is entering this town. So player will have to do something to convince this guard to enter the town. And also I want to make a little change to this text as well. Last time, if you try to attack the guard, then you can get killed instantly. But since we have established this player HP parameter, so let's use this. So let's change this. What the hell? Hey, don't be stupid. I think I'm gonna insert line break here. "The guard hit you so hard and you gave up," or something. And I'm going to insert another line break, and your HP Okay, you receive 1 damage. Okay. Yeah, player receive 1 damage by the attack of the guard. So we need to do some calculation. So you type like this. So player HP equal player HP -1. And okay. Dot line. Your HP plus player HP. Let's check this. John. And let's check this first choice. Hello there, stranger. So your name is John. Sorry, but we cannot let stranger enter our town. Okay. Okay, let's check the second one. 2. Attack the guard. Guard. Hey, don't be stupid. The guard hit you so hard and you gave up. You receive 1 damage. Your HP 9. Okay. So we have 10 HP at the beginning, but since we receive 1 damage here, so our HP became 9. So that's why this display your HP 9, basically 9 is here, because HP becomes 9 here. 10 minus 1 equal 9. So your HP becomes 9, so you receive damage. So yeah, this is a little more interesting than just getting killed and the game over. So but yeah, there is still a little problem, because right now whatever you choose, program just ends there after you choose 1 or 2, or yeah. So I think it's a good idea to loop back to here after you see this text. So I think I'm going to write some code to do that. And to do that, it's kind of simple, but you just type like this, town gate, like this, and here as well. Then what's gonna happen? Basically, after display this text, then this is going to call town gate method, same method. But so that means it's going back here again, start from the top again. It's go back to the beginning of this method, and this as well. So let's check. Okay, John. And so for example, talk to the guard. Talk to the guard. Okay, so hello there, stranger. So your name is John. Sorry, but we can let stranger enter our town, and you are at the gate of the town. I got this. So it displays this text again, and you can choose again selection. So you can talk to the guard again. So basically this is looping, or you can attack the guard this time. And so yeah, you receive 1 damage, your HP 9, and go back to this point. And if you attack the guard again, what's gonna happen here? Head on speed, yeah, and then now your HP 8. Every time you attack the guard, your HP decreases by 1. So with this, by typing like this, you can continue to play. But I think yeah, it's nice, but I think when you choose this, for example, this 2, number 2, and so it displays so many text at the same time, you know, like this text and this text. So maybe it would be nice if the program could wait at this point, and if you like press enter again, then display this. So I think that would be better if program can wait your enter input, and so whenever you enter, it display the next text. Doesn't it sound nice? I think it's nice. So I'm going to add this program. So to do that, I'm going to make a new scanner. We have made this my scanner, but basically I'm going to use this scanner to receive these player, you know, action command input. So I'm going to make another new scanner to receive just enter input, and so enter scanner something. So new scanner is declared here, and yeah, we can also type like this: scanner, new scanner, stem.in here. So now this enter scanner also receive keyboard input, but actually we can move this one too and put here like this, and also this one, and move here like this. So this is basically the same thing. So we used to type like this, and my scanner type like this, but we can also like type like this. It's basically the same thing, this or this. Type like this. Yeah, this is short. So yeah, anyway, we just created new scanner, this enter scanner. Yeah, we are going to use this to receive players enter input. And so yeah, for example, we want to stop the program and wait for players enter input here. So you type like this: enter scanner dot next line. That's it. So yeah, let's check this. Okay, enter your name and John, and okay. So now talk to the guard 1 and enter. Okay, so hello the stranger. So this time the text stop here. Last time after this text it displays this text again, but this time it stopped here, and because now this program is waiting for player input. So if you press enter here, then the next text is displayed. So yeah, I think this is better than displaying everything at the same time. This is more like a game, I think. You know, talk to the guard and enter, then display the next text. So yeah, let me explain this a little bit. So what this means, so this looks like this or like this when we asked player name or number. Although this scanner name is different, but the other thing is kinda same. Dot next line, dot next line. But this time, there is this player name, string, because we want to put the player input into this string variable. But this time, basically, we just want to pause the game and we just want player press enter, but we don't need to take the data into some variable or anything. We just want player to press enter. That's why we don't need to type like player name something. So basically, since we created this enter scanner, new scanner, so and if you type like this, enter scanner dot next line, then program stop here and wait for player's keyboard input. So you can also copy this here, and maybe I want to add this at the end of this. Okay, let's see. Jump. And okay, yeah, and let's talk to the guard. Hello there, stranger. So your name is John. Sorry, but we cannot. Maybe we should insert a line break here because this text is a bit too long. So that means name is John. So here, let's insert line break here. And anyway, so press enter here. And okay, you are at the gate of the town. A guard is standing in front of you. Okay. Maybe not perfect, but I think it looks better than before now. And yeah, we can also attack the guard. And hey, don't be stupid. The guard hit you so hard. Maybe another line break here. Maybe here as well. Okay, I think this looks better. Easy to read. Okay, so I think we are done here. So let's make the third choice. Yeah, this leave. So with this third choice, you can leave and go somewhere else. Where should we go? Leaving this town gate. Maybe we better create the next area first before writing this number 3 result. So not here, but here. Okay, let's make another method. Public void. I'm gonna make Crossroad here. And yeah, let's type some text. And I think I'm gonna use this separator again. And one more. And between this separator, I'm going to type some text. You are at a crossroad. If you go south, you will go back to the town. And maybe line break 2, and system dot out print line and 1, go north. And, oops. Weird. Okay. And 2 and 3 and 4, go east, go south since it's a crossroad, so go west. So we have 4 choice. Yeah, so let's write here. If you select this third choice, then you leave this town gate and go to this crossroad. So how to do that? Well, it's quite simple actually. You just type like this. Then this means if you type 3 and choose this leave, then you come here and call this crossroad method. So yeah, let's check. Okay, so yeah, so now let's choose leave 3. So you are at a crossroad. If you go south, you will go back to the town. I forgot to video. But so yeah, now we can move from this town gate to this crossroad. So it's working. But maybe you have noticed, but when we call this player setup method or town gate method, we typed like this. Not only method name, but before the method name, we typed like this, doubling dot. So why we don't have to type like this here? So it's different. Basically, in this case, you only need type like this, doubling dot, when you call some another method from this main method. For example, if you want to call this townGate method from this player setup method, then you don't have to type like this, but you just need to type townGate, and it works. There is no error. And so why? To be honest, it's kind of difficult to explain, but yeah, it seems it happens that way. And in my understanding, is the reason is this word static. This main method is with this public static void, but I didn't type static here, just a public void, and this is also public void and a public void. I still don't know exactly why, but yeah, it seems if static is in the main method name, then you cannot just type like this and then just call another method like this. But yeah, to be honest, I cannot explain where. So yeah, if anyone know, yeah, please let me know. I'd like to know. But so then, can't we remove this static then? We cannot. As I said before, this main method is kind of default text, so it means you cannot change. If you remove the static, then you will receive error message. So basically, yeah, in this case, in this project, you need to type like this. Only you want to call another method from this main method. But if it's not from main method, but from another method, then you can just type like this. That's how it goes. Yeah. So yeah, I still need to learn a lot to explain this, but let me continue. So yeah, we type like this, and we can call crossroad, so we can basically move here. So I think you can go to several places from this crossroad. So this is like a hub. So basically nothing is happening here. So let's create another area. Public void like north, and we'll just create another one too. Okay, north and east, west. And yeah, we don't need to make this south thing, because it says if you go south then you will go back to the town. So I think if you choose this third option, then you go back to this town gate. So yeah, maybe you can make the code first. So yeah, we are going to use if statement again. So if okay, before that we need to get player input first. So this time we are going to use this my scanner, and next int. Oh, and also I just remembered something. Actually, I better add a little something here, but let me explain first. Okay. No error. Okay, if you run this program and enter name, we have 3 choice, but what if you type something not 1 or 2 or 3 or like 5 by accident or intentionally? What's gonna happen if you type another number and press enter? Nothing happened, and also program stopped here. So you cannot continue your game anymore. So this is not so good. Maybe you in the middle of the game you accidentally type something not 1 or 2 or 3, and the game just stopped and you cannot continue anymore. This kind of game is not great. So we have to avoid this kind of situation. So yeah, to do that you type like this, else. And what this else means, basically, yeah, if choice is not 1 or 2 or 3, then something written inside of this else will be activated. So yeah, I think I'm going to just type town gate here. So what's gonna happen? Let's check again. John, and okay, so let's type 5 again. Okay, this time program didn't stop, but the same text displayed again. So yeah, like, and now you can type 1, and yeah, story proceed, because we typed like this. This else basically accepts everything but 1 or 2 or 3, and so this town gate will be called. So you can avoid to stop the game by accident. This is what I wanted to explain. So let's continue here. Just like before, we are going to write if statement, choice equal 1. Then yeah, that means go north. So yeah, let's go north. If choice equal 2, then that means east. So let's east method, I mean. And if it was south, so this means south means town, so let's call this town gate method town gate, and if choice equal 4, this means west, so west. Okay, yeah, although we haven't written anything here, but let's check this. Okay, John, you are at the gate of the town. A guard is standing in front of you. What do you want to do? Let's talk to the guard. Hello there, stranger. So your name is John. Sorry, but we cannot let stranger enter our town. And you are at the gate of the town. Guard is standing in front of you. Attack the guard. Hey, don't be stupid. The guard hit you so hard and you gave up, and your HP decreased. And if you enter here, and okay, let's leave this time and leave, then you came to the crossroad. And so yeah, we haven't written anything for this north, east, west, so let's select south. Then here, you are at the gate of the town, so you came back to the town. So yeah, now we can change location just a little bit, but yeah, feels like a game, just a little though. And so before I forget, I'm going to add this else here, and this time crossroad, so game won't stop by accident. Yeah, so I think that's all for now. So on the next video, I'm going to write some codes for this north, east, and west, and I want to create some event for each area. Thanks for watching.